Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn default channel group in Google Analytics 4 and more importantly how to analyze real GA4 data to understand marketing performance. If you are ever feel confused seeing too many source, medium and campaign in GA4, don't worry. This video will make everything simple and clear because GA4 Default Channel Group organize your traffic into clean categories like organic search, paid search, social, email, referrals and direct. So in this tutorial I will show you what default channel group are, why they are important, where to find them in GA4, how to fix unassigned traffic, and finally how to analyze real GA4 report data like a professional. So first thing firstly we have to understand that what are the default channel group and how to find out that from the Google Analytics 4. You can see that I am landing on the Google Analytics 4 interface. In the left hand side you have to find out the menu option to go to the default channel group. So go to the report. In the report section I am go to the traffic acquisition and you can also see the user acquisition. So I am go to the traffic acquisition. In the traffic acquisition, default channel group in GA4 are defined traffic categories created by Google. So you can go to the menu, drop down menu option. Here you can see that session primary channel group, that is the default channel group, and that automatically organize your website visitor based on source, medium, campaign parameter, UTM tags, referral information and also the ad click IDs. Instead of analyzing hundreds of individual traffic source, GA4 gives you a simple high-level marketing overview. Then we can see that is provide free traffic from search engine to organic search, visitor from any kind of ads, that is paid search, traffic from social media channel, that is social channels, and we can see that all of that here. If I am expanded more, then we can find out the other channel. So why default channel group matter? Google Analytics 4 are provided the two type of channel group. One is default channel group, one is customized channel group. In the second video we have to discuss lots of things about customized channel group. So firstly today we have to only discuss default channel group because that is most important to understand before you have to go to the customized channel group. So if I go to the default channel group, that are extremely powerful because that helps you identify which marketing channels bring the most user, discover which channel generated the most revenue, you can compare paid versus organic performance, make data-driven marketing decisions. Without channel grouping, you would need to manually analyze hundreds of traffic combinations, which is insufficient and really confusing. So some of the most common GA4, so we have to discuss now main default channel group in GA4. So we can see that some of the most common GA4 default channel group included direct, organic search, cross network, paid search, email, referral, display, affiliates, cross network, paid shopping, SMS and more and more. So where to find out the channel group? I already told you. You can find out the reports. Go to the report section, and the report section you have to go to the life cycle. In the life cycle you have to find out the acquisition, then traffic acquisition. You can find out the GA4 channel group. So the all of channel you can find out the unassigned. So sometimes you may see the channel called unassigned. This helps then GA4 cannot match traffic with any predefined channel rules. So unassigned means the GA4 do not find out that actually that is not defined that from. You can see that is the incorrect at missing sources or an UTM parameter. If you go to the unassigned traffic source, you can go to the plus sign, and if I go to the traffic source and session source or session source and session medium, then we can find out, go to the unassigned, that is block link. So that means the default channel group do not find out the appropriate rules, that they do not show the real report, they are going to the unassigned. So in future we have to create the report all unassigned group, then we have to also create the another report for unassigned, because we have to know that each and every traffic where it is come from, how we can see that, how we can optimize that also matter of good reporting, and you can say that you can take any kind of decision for your business. So that is the unassigned traffic. So if I am really short description already, I already told you in future we have to create the video about this. So if I am just shortly instruction this how to fix that. So you have to make sure your source medium and campaign naming from standard GA4 rules, already I told you. Secondly, create custom channel group. You cannot edit default channel group, but GA4 allows you to create your own custom channel group based on your business needs. So already I told you in future we have to create a video about that. So now come to real GA4 report analysis. So if I am go to the I am just close the session medium, then we have to go to the all channel group. So firstly, direct traffic, that is around 34k, and session will be 34,102, that is engaged report, engaged rate, average engaged time per session, event per session. And if I go to the revenue, then it will that is the total revenue for the direct traffic. So if I am go to the more just that is the basic thing. So I am just explain some of that, because who are watching my video channel, that is helpful for to understand that what actually channel group are work and where it is come from. So if I go to the direct, visitor comes without any referral or campaign data. They are not using any referral and campaign data. It comes from suppose typing website URL in browser, using the bookmarks, clicking links from apps or document, some tracking issues. Usually it depends the brand awareness and returning user. So if I go to the organic search, that is a free traffic from search engine. You know that organic search, and it comes from searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex. You know that all of search engine already. So they are coming from that, and you can say that clicking non-paid search result, that is the organic. That means it is depends on the SEO performance. You get this traffic, you do not pay to others, so it is coming from organically. If I go to the paid search, traffic from search engine ads, you can say that it is come from the ads like Google Ads search campaign, Bing ads, Popper, UTM or auto tagging, GSL ID, that is for the Google ads, and that is the high intent paid visitors. They are coming from your all paid ads, that is the paid search. And if I go to the organic social, then you can see the organic social, that is free traffic from social media platform, and it is come from your any kind of Facebook post page, post, Instagram bio links, and the social media, you know that LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or organic post. That is also, you can tell that is good for the awareness and engagement. because that is the organic social. So I'm go to the paid social. So paid social means traffic from social media advertisement, like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads. You know that what is the platform about ads. And also it is the use the correct UTM medium like paid social or CPC, that is used for, you can say that, lead generation or sales campaign. And if I go to the email, that visitor coming from the email marketing campaign, and you can say that that is come from the newsletter links, promotional emails, automated email sequences, and also UTM medium who are adding the UTM medium as an email, then the report will be show on the default channel group. So if I go to the referral, that means traffic from other website linking to you. It comes from blog mentions, partner website, direct backlink, news article. That is for the partnerships and backlink value. So I have to try to I have to try to tell the all traffic source, how it is come, because that is really who are new in the Google Analytics 4, that will be more understand how it is comes, and you have to optimize your you have to understand your business goal and what, and you can take the decision. Okay, so if I go to the display, so I'm missing the or cross network. So that means traffic from multi-network ad campaign. It comes from the performance max campaign, ads running across search, display, YouTube, Gmail, and that is also the, you can see that by using the by cross network, the major revenue driver. You can tell that always you can see that the revenue for the cross network is too much high, that is 23.44. That means that is the major revenue driver, that is the cross network, because it is the multi-network ad campaign it is come from. So now go to the paid shopping, that you can see that traffic from shopping and product listing ads, that's it comes from, you can it comes from Google shopping ads, product fit campaigns, and e-commerce ads with product images. That is the paid shopping, and that is the high purchase intent traffic also. And if I go to the SMS, traffic from the text message marketing, and you can say that it comes from promotional SMS links, OTP or reminder links with tracking. Any platform you can adding the UATM parameter with SMS, that it will appear in the Google Analytics 4. And it is useful for, you can say that, instant engagement offers. So I think we have to the organic video, you know that I do not tell more. That is the organic video. If you are who visitor, they are coming from watching your video and you are provide the link on the video, they are coming from the organic video. Organic shopping, that is the same thing, already I told you. So that is the all we have to discuss about default channel of Google Analytics 4, that is in, you have to find out the traffic acquisition. So I have to describe each and everything, that will be, you have to understand that what is the primary group channel of Google Analytics 4 and how it will be benefited to you. So so from this GA4 data we learn paid ads and direct traffic generate most revenue. So if we have to just summarize all of that which we have to describe, we have to, I am trying to giving the more insight that paid ads and direct traffic generated more revenue. I repeat, paid ads and direct traffic generated more revenue. SEO provides a stable long-term growth. You can told you social media needs conversion optimization. And this is exactly why default channel group in GA4 are so powerful. They help you understand marketing performance in a short time, within a short time. So we have to recap all of that. Default channel group are automatically categorized traffic, and you can analyze them inside acquisition report and fix. Also you can we have to talking about unassigned traffic in future. So we can say that next we can say that use channel data to improving ROI, return of investment. So I think mastering these features helps you make a smarter data driven business decisions. So in this video helped you understand, I hope you understand GA4 Default Channel Group and real data analysis. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Take care. Bye bye.